So this is your standard standalone smoke alarm, and this battery will last a year or so, and it's important that you replace that when that battery goes low.
And those ones, they're a sealed unit, aren't they? What does that mean?
So you fit this smoke alarm and you never need to change the battery. You still need to check the smoke alarm once a month to make sure it's still working, but you never need to change the battery. And after 10 years, the sensor will have reached the end of its life and it's time to replace the whole unit.
So this is our wedding from 20.
Back with Jamie, he's relieved it's just possessions that he's lost, all things that can be replaced. He knows how important having a working smoke alarm is.
Monthly, weekly, as often as you can. You know, it takes a few seconds. Get one of them steps so you can reach to the ceiling or wherever your smoke alarm is and just press it. It's going to save your life.
James Webster, ITV News.